Watch and learn, bro. Today, I'm catching a legendary fish.
Yeah? Or maybe just your tail again.
It's, a tree fish?
You're already hooked, bro. Maybe I'm fishing in a junkyard. Try calling the fish next. Ouch! Let go, you tiny monster! Guess it's crabby hour. Blub blubber, not funny. Best catch of the day, you! Who needs fresh fish when you've got canned? Finally, something you can actually catch. You're going viral for sure, bro.
As long as the crab doesn't ask for royalties.
Sometimes the best catch is laughter.